When you see Zook in school, he was constantly out of fuel. All he does is follow me. Like a stinking fly, he can't help it, cuz I'm the trailblazing guy. Zook knows nothing like a baby. Everywhere he looks, he thinks maybe I have to show him the ropes, but all he does is move.
You should see West in school. He ain't nothing but a ridicule. He thinks he's a top student, but when in truth he's nothing but imprudent. Feels like he's entitled to everything. Tells the birds for him they should sing. Chest up, walks around proud, but a small push and he'll sure drop now.
Zuki, loner boy right there. Oh, he's such a rookie. Well, at least I had my friends. You only had me pretend all the way to the end. You're lucky we're even related, cause you're my brother. If not, Siapa be bothered. And cause I'm the world's greatest, you can pause, go all in my shadows, bask in the awesomeness, the magnificence, the one and only DK West. DK West, DK West.
Don't mean a thing. You think you're the center of everything, but this greatness that you speak simply hides the fact that you're meek. And these delusions are really your illusions, and your rhymes are just behind the times. You think that you are a king, but if I said that, I'd be lying. The world doesn't revolve around you. Even in the multiverse, you're not worth a verse. Oh, West, 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 rest in peace. Oh, he's dust.
About Zook in college, he still thirsts for my knowledge. Only knows how to trail me by, or else I do high. He does nothing but cry. He thinks he's a real ace when he's a real bad case. All he does is copy my moves and make mismatched tempos that don't groove.
In college is such a shame. The top spot is no longer his to claim. All respect he used to have has now been drop in half. He hates seeing me succeed so well. He turns into a child in Bates College. Bye-bye. The once great West, with all his charming ability, has now learned a hard lesson in humility.
A real baddie robber, not even a showstopper. He stole all my friends, had none of his own. And Nadia, man, you remember that girl? You only added her cause I was in the sheet. You couldn't stop at stealing friends. You stole a girl that made me couldn't breathe. Robber of friends, copycat Zook. You ain't nothing without West. You ain't nothing without West. You ain't nothing without West.
Nadia never liked you, West, cause you were slimy, sleazy, cheesy. Ewa, con un hero. Actually, see, desperado. From a scale of 1 to 10, you are below the bottom of the lame end. You are never as good as you thought. Only your imagination never had a drought. You think you're a marathon runner. You never even ran right and pilot. You were canceled. The end. And she left college with the most shame to hide. Left the loser, snoozer, my brother. Oh, mic drop. Reality check, please. Cash that adulting life. You DK hack.